Somebody had to set a bad example, teach all the prim and propers what not to do. Nobody around here wants to ramble. What the hell, that's what I was born to do.
The swanky big green house is gonna amuse me. I live in a trailer, but I drive a Cadillac. I ain't never tried to impress nobody with my honk and your horn and sticker on the back.
Somebody had to set a bad example, teach all the prim and proper